Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create a very simple C++ program that will ask the user to give two integer numbers, and then our program will find the difference of the two numbers being provided by our user, and then it will display the results on the screen. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share this video tutorial, leave a comment in the tutorial section in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. In this series, we will continue our learning on our C++ programming series. C++ is one of the most very popular programming language. It is used primarily in a wide variety of applications: operating systems, database application, antivirus, system utility software, utility editor, so on and so forth. That's why having a basic understanding of C++ will help us not only know how to program, but also it will open up so many opportunities in the job market. So let's get started. We are already here in our dev C++ integrated development environment. So the first thing that I will do is to write the comment. Let's say, for example, difference.cpp. This is the file name, and then this is the extension that we have, C++, the cpp. Next, I will write my name as the author of this program, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. In C++, this double slash means it is a comment, but we can also use this one, slash asterisk. Let's say, for example, date October 14, 2019, Monday at 9:21 p.m. The slash asterisk and asterisk slash is also another comment in C++. Actually, this kind of comment is based on the C language. One of the things that I have learned while I'm learning about C++ is that when you can write also a program in C in a C++ environment, or you can combine both C++ in C in a single program. That is the versatility of learning C++ programming. So after which, we will declare a library file #include less than iostream. This library file #include, we will include this library file. The iostream is used primarily for input-output command. For example, of output command is the console out or cout, and input is cin. Now, after we have declared, we will use this command using namespace std. This is the standard declaration of namespace in C++ in a modern way of writing a code in C++. After which, we will use declare int main. The int main is a function. Every C++ program has a function, it is main. When we save our work and then when we compile our work to check if there is some violation for syntax error, this is the first thing that our compiler search and find and execute. So it is very important to have this function in every C++ program. After we have done, we declare variables a, b, and you have here sub for subtraction. So console out, new line to new line, skip sequence, new double quotation backslash, difference between two numbers. This is the title of our program. After we are through with that, the next step is console out /n console out give first value. Okay, so double quotation semicolon cn a, and then we will copy this portion and then paste, and then we will change the word first to second, and then we have here b for second value, and then we will use the word sub for assignment statement a minus b, and then we will display our result in the next line. Okay, so console out the difference between, move downwards, a and b is sub. Okay, copy this new line, and then console out horizontal tab and of the program. That tells the user that the program is already done. Okay, so before we compile our program to check if there is a syntax error, let me recap the things that we have done already. In our program, I declare here a series of comments on the top of our program, library declaration, and then we have here the variable declaration. As we can see, there are three variables: variable a, b, and sub. Variable a and b are those two variables that will accept input from our user, and then sub will act as assignment statement. The role of assignment statement in our program is that the assignment statement is assigned to hold the values, different values between variable a and variable b based on the given input values, numerical input values by our user in our program. Next, we have here the title or program, difference between two numbers, and then we have here two inputs: give first value, which represent the variable a; give second value, which we use variable b. And then we have here assignment statement sub equals open parenthesis a minus b. So whatever the difference between variable a and variable b in terms of numerical value is being stored here and by hold by our variable sub. So in this portion, it will display the result of our program when we run. Now, the next step is we save our work. Control S. We will make a new folder here. Right click, folder. So difference of two numbers. Number. Double click. Difference.cpp. Difference. Okay. .cpp is our file name. Click the save button, and then we will compile our program to check if there is a syntax error. There is none. So the next step, okay, I forgot to put horizontal tab here. That is the thing. So we will compile and run. Okay, on the top. Save, compile and run. Okay, so let's say 100, and then the second value is 75. So 100 minus 75 is 25. So difference between two numbers, this is the title of our program. First, give first value 100, the second value is 75. The difference between 175 is 25. So if we run again with a different value, let's say for example 45 minus 20, so the difference between 45 and 20 is 25. So we are already done in our program, difference between two numbers in C++. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share this video tutorial in other social media platform just like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, among others. Leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, because leaving a comment there will help me how I can improve my video tutorials in my channel, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much guys for watching. This is Jake Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Bye bye for now.